Greetings to all Woodford School Lusaka pupils. Welcome to end of term 1 school assembly. Dear children, we would have loved to have our usual assembly while we are together, but unfortunately, because of COVID-19 and the social distancing, we are unable to do so. Therefore, we have to do it remotely in this special way. Dear children, we hope that you are all well and keeping safe by staying in your homes. We also hope and pray that you are practicing personal hygiene by frequently washing your hands with water and soap or using hand sanitizer. If we all do this, dear children, we will see each other when school's campus opens again. Dear children, before school campus closure, you all worked very hard to perfect your grades and your academic performance improved tremendously. We are proud of you all. We are also thankful that most of you followed school rules whilst in school, and this made our work easy. Please continue being good even as you learn at home. Children, remember there are rules everywhere, even in our homes. Please listen to your parents. Dear children, the teachers have been working very hard in the past 2 weeks, preparing schoolwork and sending them to you via your parents' emails. We thank you for doing your schoolwork and submitting it back for assessment. Here are a few reminders that need your attention, children. Most of you have been responding very well to the work that we have been sending out to you, and you have worked very hard. Good job. However, some of you have not submitted any of your schoolwork. Dear children, you will risk lagging behind your friends if you do not do the work assigned to you. We understand that it is not easy to learn from home away from your teachers. Please understand, however, that you are expected to continue learning even as you are at home. Be aware that the deadline for holiday assignments is May 11 when we start term 2. Please ask your parents to call your teachers if you have any questions regarding your holiday assignments. It is important that you get in touch with your teachers so that they can assist you with any challenges that you may encounter with your work. As we start term 2 on May 11, we will launch our remote learning system, through which you'll be taught by your teachers. They'll present you lessons and give you work to do, just like normal school. And like normal school, you'll be expected to work very hard and pay attention. Children, you will need to create for yourself a timetable that you should follow daily to help you accomplish your tasks. This in turn will help you train yourself to work longer on your assignments. Grade 7 pupils, this is a reminder to you. Please be reminded that you are starting term 2 a bit earlier than others. This will be on Monday, 20 April. You will start learning through the remote system that we are launching soon. We'll be contacting you to make sure that everything you need will be in place. As we end term 1 on Thursday 9, we will send you holiday assignments that should keep you busy for the April vacation. On that same day, end of term 1 school report forms will be available on the parent portal for your parents to read. We hope and pray that the school campus will be able to open as soon as possible, but in the meantime, we'll have to rely on remote learning. Remember that millions of school children around the world are also sharing the same new experiences that you are going through. Remember to stay in your homes. If you have to go out in public, please remember to always wear a mask. Dear children, I'm sure all of you have masks in your home, or you have seen them before. Your parents can always buy you a mask if you have to go out. So this is a mask, dear children. I'm demonstrating how to put on a mask. Make sure that your mouth is covered and your nose. Pinch here so that you are able to breathe. This way, children, you can go out in public. At least you'll be protected. Please stay safe. God bless you. Thank you.